attack. We know that obviously Hamas and Hezbollah have been severely degraded. I should just say that we're now hearing an alert.
Right.
Which is an indication that we...
Right. So these are the alerts that go out on all of our phones when you're in Israel. It's a 10-minute warning of incoming missiles or something incoming from Iran. So now the location we're in has a verbal alarm telling people to go down into bomb shelters. So we have about a 10-minute window to get down into a bomb shelter, and we'll continue to try to broadcast from that bomb shelter, and even if we can on the way down. Do you guys want to...
Should we go down, or you want to finish this?
Well, we should probably go down.
We should probably go down.
Let's just make sure. Do we have? Are we able to do that? Well, while they're just making sure we can get down there, let's talk about the Iranians' response.
So you've got the proxies as one response. You've got a direct attack from Iran on U.S. troops. That's what we saw after the killing of Qasem Soleimani. They hit Al Asad Air Base in Anbar province. Nobody was killed because they kind of had signaled in advance that they were going to do it, but nonetheless, it was the biggest ballistic missile strike on a U.S. base outside of the country. Then you have the possibility that they go for some kind of asymmetrical cyber terrorism, or that they go with an economic option like trying to close the Strait of Hormuz. People I've been talking to in the region seem to feel that Iraq is the most vulnerable place by virtue of the fact that it's a weak state. You have a lot of paramilitary forces there. The State Department's evacuated roughly 500 U.S. personnel from there. But also the broader consensus is that Iran wants to try to pick a move right now that will show strength or project strength to particularly its own people, while not trying to risk further retaliation, possibly trying to minimize casualties, because Iran has been significantly weakened, as we've all been talking about and watching.
There are so many questions right now about Iran's capabilities, right? I mean, this siren that's just coming in now, it's been 20 hours since the last Iranian attack. We saw that barrage just after 7:30 this morning. We know that they still do have ballistic missile capabilities, despite having destroyed about half of their launchers, according to the Israeli military. And so we'll see, you know, what more firepower they have for here, but also critically, of course, for those U.S. bases in the region, which will be easier for the Iranians to target.
All right, I think we're going to head down to the shelters. Chuck, do we have capabilities as we go down?
Just checking your microphone. Be ready in a second. Okay, here we go.
All right.
Okay.
Let's see if we can switch over. So is this actually working?
You guys hear him?
Okay. I'm not. Oh, get here.
What's your microphone?
Okay, I think it's.
Bring your IFB box. Bring your IFB box. Just unplug it.
Should we all go?
Yeah, I think we should all get one. So again, you can hear the sirens going off. This is from the hotel. They're warning all the hotel guests to go down. This is the first time today that we have had an alarm like this. It's obviously something that many here in Tel Aviv have gotten used to over the last 10 or 11 days since this began. We saw there was one alarm shortly after, or several hours after the first strike, the strikes on Iran by the United States. This is the first one we've had this morning. Okay. So I'm just going to go down here. And here with Jeremy Diamond. So in terms of this is the first one today, isn't it?
It's the first one, not today, because 7 was the last one. I think we're all a little bit upside down.
3 a.m.
Oh, we're at 3 a.m. Yes, so it is the first one of the day. But what we've noticed, I think, is fewer barrages, but quite high intensity, particularly this morning. I mean, Jeremy, you were there on the scene. The damage was...
Yeah, I mean, there's also been reports that the Iranians have been using different types of ballistic missiles, some reports of cluster munition use as well, and we've seen the kind of impact that can have on the scene. Today I was at a site in the north of Tel Aviv, in Ramat Aviv, where you saw a residential block that was almost, completely obliterated by the power of that blast.
You guys got to press down in the basement, please.
you know, the damage is enormous. More of these ballistic missiles that are indeed getting through those air defense systems. But, you know, quite incredibly, we haven't seen any fatalities in, I believe, a week now, right? The last Monday morning was the last time we saw a fatality. That's, of course, a credit to the aerial defense systems, but more importantly, perhaps, to the early warnings that are getting us into bomb shelters and getting millions of other Israelis
Yeah, and I'm going to take over here from the White House. Kristen Holmes, senior White House correspondent, as they go into that shelter. We are losing service there, but we expect to get them back at any moment. Of course, hoping that they are safe as this is continuing. Now I think we have our signal back. Okay, great.
It is a luxury to have a 10-minute warning. Obviously, in a situation like this, in many cases, obviously, you know, rockets from Gaza, generally there isn't that like a 10-minute window.
No, but it's a different level of threat, right? I mean, Israelis have been living with rockets from Hamas and Hezbollah for many years. I have never seen Israelis running to the shelter quite so quickly as they have with this, because it's a totally different ballgame. The damage and destruction that has been, been done by these Iranian ballistic missiles is completely different to anything they've seen in many decades. I mean,
and there's no question that without those warning sirens, without the bomb shelters, I mean, you would be seeing, you know, many people dying in each one of these strikes. And the fact that the death toll is only 24 as of now in Israel is indeed a credit to all those systems that we've been talking about.
So we are awaiting what will be the red alert, which is the final minute and a half warning before any kind of an impact. I don't have communication with so I can't actually go to anybody else. So we're stuck talking with each other. That's okay.
We'll muddle through it.
In terms of Iranian response, there's been a lot of questions about what is going to happen now. What will the Iranian response be? And obviously, these missiles are one form of response, but what we don't know yet, or what decision has been made by Iranian leaders, who's going to be making that decision. Is it utilizing proxy forces, militias in Iraq, or what have you?
And Iran's foreign minister said today, basically, that it won't be the government who's making that decision, it will be the military that will make that decision. And they have a lot of different tools that they can draw upon, whether it's proxy forces, whether they go asymmetrical with a terror attack, for example, or kidnapping, or some kind of a cyber attack. But again, I mean, I mentioned it upstairs, but in the melee, I think it's worth reiterating this idea that, you know, there's a concern for Iran right now, right? They are hurting. They have incurred a lot of damage. They want to try to find some kind of a retaliation that potentially restores deterrent or at least projects some image of strength, particularly for Iranians. But what they don't want to do is do something that is so escalatory that it risks, and we've heard President Trump said, listen, we're going to draw a line under this if you take it on the chin, but if you keep going, you have a choice between, I believe he said, peace or tragedy. So I think for Iran, it's like that question of trying to find, oh no, we can hear the sirens now.
The sirens right now.
So that indicates 90 seconds roughly until...
Just listen.
Red alert. Red alert.
So this is the minute and a half or so warning.
And right now we're getting sirens all across the central part of Israel. This includes Tel Aviv and the surrounding suburbs. You have Petah Tikva, Ramat Gan, Rishon LeZion, Bat Yam. Those are some of the areas that have been hit over the course
There's an app, Homefront Command here, what's called Homefront Command, actually has an app that people can see. Is this a nationwide alert? Is this just in Tel Aviv, or where is it?
That's right. And you know, we have seen moments where the Iranians choose to fire missiles at the kind of major population centers, right? Haifa has been a big target in northern Israel. That is, of course, a strategic site as well, because there is a port, there is a naval base there, commercial shipping, all of that. Of course, we have seen these missiles very often striking residential areas, missing the port as it did the other day, for example. Then we've seen hits, of course, here in Tel Aviv and the surrounding area as well. There are several military bases, we should note, in the area additionally. And then in Beersheba, Be'ersheva in the southern part of Israel. We saw that hospital, of course, in the last week, Soroka Medical Center, which was hit by an Iranian missile. And I also think that's one thing that's important to note. The destructive power of these missiles is enormous. And we've also seen so is their inability to pinpoint target what they are actually going after.